Hey, hope everyone is dressed warm and having a good morning. My name is Anthony Badilla. I am a 20-year-old Congolese and French graphic designer and front-end developer. I was responsible for the game concept and layout plan, styling the entire page with CSS and React, and making all of the graphic used for this site with Blender, Procreate, and Photoshop. Before I get started with the project demo, let me introduce you to the rest of my team.
Hello, my name is Sababu Barashango, and I am a full-stack developer who worked mainly on the back-end portion of this project. The back-end includes the server-side functionality, the error checks, and the form interface. Specifically, I worked on the update password page, the delete page, the weather API, the music interface, and the emailer.
Hey, my name is Jordan. I'm responsible for database migrations, login, registration, and deployment.
Hi, my name's Ethan Schulman. I'm a 26-year-old full-stack developer. I helped put together Kanri-mono. I also did the production for the website. Most of the audio that you hear was all produced by me.
And we are the Tiger Bites. Alright, so jumping right in, we have the home page. For our project, we chose to make a virtual pet game inspired by the Tamagotchi toy. Tamagotchi is the Japanese words for egg and watch put together. So for our game, I took the Japanese words for beast and caretaker, putting them together, giving us Kanri-mono. So if you're a new user, you have to sign up. I'll let Jordan tell you some about our sign up page.
So whenever a new user registers their account, their information is stored within the database. And then within that database, there's the ID's foreign key to other database that actually stores the data of their mono. And whenever the stats themselves change, it will automatically save the new data to the database. Additionally, whenever a user logs out and returns, the previous saved data will automatically be loaded into their current game. If there's no previous saved data, then it will just automatically load from the initial state, which is automatically set to about 75. As for deployment, we've imported the data from the database to create an API that allows users to manipulate their data based off their actions within the game and within the client, thus connecting the front end to the back end and making this a full stack application. As for how the data is being stored in the past, we're currently using the hook called use context, but eventually we seek to use sessions as it'll be a lot more efficient than using the hook.
Thank you, Jordan. But since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and log in. Okay, so I'm going to enter my email. And my password. It looks like I forgot my password. But if you're as forgetful as me, you're in luck because Sababu created a reset password feature.
For the update password page, typing in your correct security question allows you to change your encrypted password to something new. If you type in the incorrect security question, or your email has not been added to the database yet, the appropriate error message will appear. If you do want your info saved, registering will send the user an email with a link to the full game.
Oh, wait, actually, I think I just remember my password. Now that we've logged in, we've been taken to the main page. And as you can see at the top, I'm being greeted by my username. How sweet. This is the main game page. Users who create an account for the first time will have to go through the tutorial and introduction, but since I already have an account, let's go to the settings and briefly run through the tutorial. You've been given your own pet, so it's your responsibility to take care of it. It's a little ugly, but it's okay. This is your very own Mono Tracker. It helps you keep track of your pet and inventory. Just a quick note, this is the demo version, but for the final game, there will be an inventory and shop where you can buy your pet new items, food, decorations, and toys. If you don't take care for your pet, they can get angry, hungry, or sick. Click on the game icon to play with your pet. Playing with your pet raises their happiness and gives you some XP too. Click on the food icon to feed your pet. Feeding your pet replenishes its hunger and adds to its happiness. Click on the pill icon to give your pet medicine. Your pet will get sick if it's dirty or its environment is unkept. Click on the sponge icon to clean your pet. Your pet can get sick if it's dirty for too long, so make sure you clean it often. Interacting with your pet will give it experience. With enough experience, your pet will level up. Leveling up allows you to buy new items for your pet. Congratulations! You've made it through the tutorial. I'm sure you'll be a great owner. Hopefully. Let's go back to our pet. As you can see, I'm not the greatest owner. It's been a while since I last visited my pet, so he's pretty sick. Let's give him some medicine. I'm sure he's starving. Let's feed him. Let's play with him as well. Every interaction gives me a bit of experience, and when the bar fills, my pet will level up. Well, that's about all we have to show for the main game. Goodbye, little buddy. I promise to come back to feed you. Alright, now I'll let Subabu take over to talk about our weather API feature as well as our delete account feature.
I made a weather API, which allows you to choose your current city and make the weather info for that city appear on the game page. If the weather is sunny, a sun will appear. If it's cloudy, a cloud will appear. And if it's rainy, a thundercloud will appear. And each of these affects the Mono's environment. This is how you get a happy Mono. The delete page will delete your data in the case that you do not want your info saved to the sequelized table. And of course, if you mess up on your email, there will be an error check.
And that's all we have to show for our project for now. Stay tuned for updates on the game. I hope you all enjoyed the presentation. See you later.